Google. Let's go get him again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robes 08 channel. I am your host, Mark. Today, subscriber's choice. I haven't done this in years, but the power is in your hands. I like doing this. I just want to see what you that watch me want to see. It's nice to see sometimes, right? You get the power a little bit here. I have my regimented reviews of things I'm working on and take some time. But these type of things like sampling samples, you know what? I have a problem right now. And no, not all the kind of problems that you're kind of thinking. I have a sampling problem. I have so many samples. I have a lot of things to unbox. I have a lot of things to review, but sampling is just kind of getting out of hand. So I think I'm going to start doing double duty here on sampling and try, you know, my sampling box is full. And I don't mean like just a little box here. I have like a huge cabinet full of samples. Like, I mean hundreds, maybe in the thousands. I'm not really sure, but I have an issue. And I kind of want to, you know, once I'm done with the sample, I throw them out and it makes room. So I kind of like that. So today we are going to we're going to try it out, and this might become a weekly thing. We'll see. We will see how well this goes as far as the interest goes, but yeah, I got a bunch of new samples in. I'm going to start mixing, matching, throw them all around, and we may have a subscriber's choice every week. Of course, give me several days here. Some of these samples are bigger than some, right? We have these little Lucky Sand samples, and we're still going to get sampling Sundays. I'm thinking of doing the subscriber's choice every Saturday, so I'm going to publish the video today, which is probably, yeah, it's going to be Tuesday that you're going to see this, not the Saturday coming up, but the week after, because I need time to tally up all your votes and then, okay, start working on it. So let's get to it. Let's look at the contestants. If you saw the thumbnail, you already know who the contestants are. Today I feel like doing designers, you know, like new designers. I think these are mostly all new, and let's sample them. So let's go through them. I'm gonna go one by one, but let's take a look at it. The first one here is Y Eau de Parfum, parfum, not parfure. People are saying that I'm saying parfure. No, parfum, parfum. Eau de Parfum Intense. So why Eau de Parfum Intense? I haven't reviewed, smelled, or anything from the Y line in a long time. I think the last one was Intense or something like that. I did a sampling samples. I don't own any of the Y line for good reason. However, I'm coming in with an open mind. I got these samples for a reason, so open mind here. Next is from Dolce & Gabbana, again, a top seller, things that the fragrance community really likes. This is Light Blue Summer Vibes. I think this is the newest one. Again, I haven't purchased a light blue fragrance since the original light blue. Like, I don't mean the intense version, the original, like back in the day. I mean, I like that one. It was okay. Next is from Paco, Rabanne, the newest 1 million, and this is 1 million Royale with cheese. And next is Givenchy Gentleman Society, EDP. So if you want to see that one, you know what to do. And lastly, Male Elixir, which is right now like candy for influencers. So we'll see what you guys, again, I'm a Le Male fanboy. That is a line, the Gentleman line, the 1 million line I collect, Le Male and the Gentleman line and the 1 million. Yeah, those are the ones. Light blue, I kind of want to go back into it. I actually like the original light blue. Y is probably never going to happen. But again, I always have an open mind. I'm not going to preconceive myself on, you know, the Y line. I didn't like what I smelled. I smelled like 2 or 3 of them and I'm like, garbage. But we'll see. Again, this doesn't guarantee positive fragrance reviews, and it doesn't guarantee terrible fragrance reviews. So now the power is in your hand. Again, per YouTube account, you can only do one vote, and your vote is in the comments below. So don't put in 2 or 3 names, because then I'm just going to cancel out your vote. If it's not clear which one you're wanting, I don't know why you would do that. I'm only counting the things that are saying, you know, Le Male Elixir, you know, Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Male. I know kind of what you're talking about. That's the ones I'm going to tally. I'm not going to do a video saying which one won. I'm just going to start working on it. I am going to keep this voting open till, I'll give you till Friday. Now that'll give me the weekend to test some out, and these are fairly big samples. I think these are like 3 mils or 4 mils, so I'm going to get a lot of wearings, and that'll give me some time to 3-4 wearings out of these and formulate the one that actually wins. So another fun thing, subscriber scores, and while you're commenting, tell me if you like these type of videos. I might just go, okay, let's say Y wins, that one's out of the running, and maybe the week after I'm just going to supplement it with another one with the next 4 are the same. We'll see, or maybe I'll just shake it up. We'll see. I'll work on it to try to get these reviews out, and I'm thinking again the Saturday after that. So this week is Tuesday. This video is releasing. I'm going to give you till Friday to vote. Voting's closed, and then the Saturday after that is when this video is going to come out. I might even actually do an update. You know, I do a weekly update video saying this is what's coming up in the week. Then I'll say subscriber's choice, this fragrance won, and this is what you're going to see on Saturday. I think that'll work. Okay, that's it. This video has ran long. Thank you. Can't wait to see the comments below. Appreciate you. Love you. See you later. Bye.